And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube, and this is the Professional Forex Trading Course 101, everybody. Never forget, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. And also never forget that you are going to graduate from this course when number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have your strategy in place, you understand why you win, why you lose. And number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. So we are working on number one and number three, talking about the Fibonacci's, and today we have adjust the original Fibonacci in a downtrend. And for questions and homeworks, you have the Gmail contact and the Skype contact, everybody. That being said, let's open NZD/USD and let's check how the Fibonacci's are. Hello Broto, how are you? Yes, NZD/USD today. Adjust the original Fibonacci in a downtrend, right? As always, we're going to start. Hedge fund trader Shola, are you here? Hedge fund trader Shola? Everybody, alright, so I need to do this one and this one, that one. Fibonacci's retracement. Alright, so this would be the upper band, everybody, this would be the lower band. Hedge fund trader Broto, should I start from the upper band, my Fibonacci's? What do you think? There is no right or wrong. Or should I start from the lower band? Where should I start my Fibonacci? And in the meantime, waiting for the answer, I'm going to readjust the edit level. So out, and out, remove. So this is going to be black and this is going to be blue, this is going to be green. 1618 is going to be green, 100 black, and I'm going to add 14% is going to be red. I'm going to add 118 extension is going to be red, and I'm going to add 127 is going to be blue. And the zones, right? So this is going to be tradable extension, deep retracement, great risk reward ratio, tradable extension, maybe red, 382. So this is going to be green and maybe red. Let's 100 maybe red, you know, like this, and 382 and green this one. Okay, let's see, retracement extension. Alright, yeah, alright, something like this. Upper band, very good. Alright everybody, so we're on the monthly chart and we're going to start our ABCDs. You know the rules, right? You know the procedures, everybody. You know the process. ABCD. Alright, ABCD. Hedge fund trader Ernesto, are you here? Hello Clara, how are you? Clara, we have class tomorrow. Okay, with the Fibonacci, guys. So A is the first high, right? So this is the B, A to B. I'm going to make it bolder, something like this. This is my A, this is my B. Whoops. This is my B down in here. And I'm going to put horizontal lines, something like this, to help myself with the ABCDs. right? So I'm going to delete the upper band. So this is my A, and clone, this is my B, right? And of course this is my C, and down in here, everybody, this is my D, right? The market retraced inside the AB boundary, A to B, B to C, C to D. Give me a second. Yellow color this time, like this, and transparency. There you go. How to adjust the Fibonacci? Yes, I'm here. Ernesto, to answer your question, everybody, so one more time, some of you are sending me emails, oh, my Fibonacci is different than yours. This is going to happen because you have different liquidity providers. Okay, this is going to happen, don't stress out. Boss, what are the liquidity? You know, the guys who is giving the broker or the investment bank or the charting software the candles, in a simplistic explanation. Make sense, everybody? So I have a low in here, Ernesto, just an example. I have a low in here, but maybe Ernesto doesn't have a low in here, doesn't show on TradingView or New York close charts, whatever. So Ernesto's Fibonacci is going to be different. Just an example, I have a low in here, and let's say that Ernesto doesn't have a low for any reason, so his Fibonacci is going to be like this. Make sense? What to do? I don't know. I don't know what to do, everybody. I'm using JForex4, and my settings talking about the chart is EET, Eastern European time. Okay, everybody. Now if you change to UTC or whatever, you know, then it's going to be, let's change this one to New York. Let me see if something going to be New York. Oh, here we have, and New Zealand, Asia, EET, Central Eastern Time, Est, EDT. Let's see if it's going to be different. So, okay. Let's see the charts, anything changed. So, I still have a low here, right? Alright, everybody, you need to choose, you know, boss, what should I do? Choose. Alright? But stay consistent, everybody. Don't change charts every single time. Yes, thanks for the opportunity to be my mentor. Thank you, Clara. New York and UTC. Okay, everybody, so A goes to C, right? A goes to C. And B goes down here to D. A, B, C, D. We have a new Fibonacci sequence, Fibonacci retracement tool, right from A to B. And now this is our C, hit the red, right? And down in here the market closed a candle, this is a low, so this is going to be our D. And again, horizontal line, A goes to C, A goes to C, and B goes to D. B goes to D. There you go. And we are here right now. This is our C, almost hit out the A, right? This was the best entry, everybody. Alright, so Fibonacci tools and retracement. What do you think, everybody? Should you be looking to short the market? Not the contrarian, just the original one so far. Or should you be looking to buy this market? Do you believe that long term this market is going to push down to the D extension? Or do you believe that this market is going to push up to a new retracement? Boss, we have double bottoms. Yes, we do. Double bottoms in here, right? What do you think? Sell, says Ernesto, very good. So we are going to check now the... And talking about the Fibonacci, everybody, my A is at A equals to, if you want, 0.75581, and my B equals to, everybody, equals to 0.54684. Okay, if you want to check. Alright, now let's do the same on the weekly chart. Weekly chart, monthly bands, right? Upper band, lower band. Now again, it's a trick, right? So for me not to waste time, right? Where should I start, everybody? Should I start at this high, or should I start at the second high? Where should I start? It's a trick not to waste time, right? Second high, exactly. Why, boss? Why? Because if I start, this comes through experience, everybody. If I start my Fibonacci here, AB, up in here, and you can see that green goes to green and you have a new sequence, the market is going to stop you out on the A in here. Can you see it, everybody? And it's going to push down, and this, yes, this comes with experience. Alright, so out this one, out this one, out. Just put the letters. A, text, B. Do this with me, everybody. Open your NZD USD weekly chart, ABCD. Put your horizontal lines. Find the first high, find the first low. Spread the Fibonacci tool. A to B. This is our A, this is our B. Right? There you go. This is our C. The C is the highest point inside the AB boundary after the B, before the market hits the appropriate extension. Our D must be a low, and the first low is, I'm not sure about that one. Give me a second, everybody. Here you have the open, high, close, and to right click, colors, blue. Alright. There you go. So this low is at 0.6497, and this is 6.5. This is low 6.4, 6.5, and 6.5. So this is the low. And A goes to C, right? Not that difficult, right, everybody? And horizontal line, B goes down to D. Yes, the blue candle, Fibonacci retracement tool, B to A. Okay, then you are going to disable ABCD. Now we're scrolling the chart on the right. So far, this is the highest high inside the AB boundary, and it's going to be similar, right? So this is the A. Green goes to green. There you go. This is our D. A goes to C, everybody. B goes to D, and Fibonacci retracement tool. We are here so far. So we have the same Fibonacci sequence from the monthly and the weekly, right? Alright, now let's go on the daily. We're going to do exactly the same. Out this one, out this one. Alright, so I'm going to go on the monthly and I'm going to clone the chart, clone chart. I'm going to delete the daily. I'm still on the monthly. Okay, I'm going to delete the Fibonacci's from the monthly because I'm going to go on the daily. I'm just looking for the monthly bands. Monthly bands, right? Monthly bands. So, not this one. Clone. Okay. And I'm going to circle, and now I'm going on the daily, and this is my starting point. If you start your Fibonacci on the daily chart, or from here, or from here, or from here, or from here, hear me out, this is wrong. Rule number one of the Fibonacci is the Fibonacci start from the exactly monthly bands. Boss, if two candles highs or lows with the same value for the extension, you take it as a 1. Can we take them as relevant for the extension? When you have two candles, great question, thank you very much. When you have two candles at the same highs or low, you take those two as 1. Okay, everybody? You are taking them as the same candle. It's just one candle. Alright, so let's go. Daily chart. A. Here is the B. Here is the C. Boss, I don't like the Fibonacci's. You don't need to use them, make sense, everybody? You don't need to use the Fibonacci's, you don't need to trade the Fibonacci's, but Fibonacci's are another tool, everybody. You are going to graduate from this course when you have a complete understanding how this market works. So Fibonacci's are giving you direction. Okay, Fibonacci goes in the same basket as trend lines, support, resistance, pivot points, candlestick formations, okay, market wave, shorten trend. Now Fibonacci is the last one that you are going to use if you want to determine trend direction. Okay, now in the end, if you don't like Fibonacci, you don't need to trade them, but they are showing you direction still. Okay, out this one, and black color, something like this, stroke, there you go. We're looking for the first high and we're looking for the first low. Fibonacci retracement tool, A to B, and here it goes to C, green goes to green, and here is the next one. So this is the new A. How did I do this? Oh, like that, okay. So this is the A, this is the new B. Sure, I have some traders, everybody listen up, I have some traders, advanced traders, professional too, just a few of them, but advanced traders who are making consistent profits without the Fibonacci. Make sense? But don't confuse apples with bananas. They are using Fibonacci's in the weekly plan, which is where we determine the direction for the week from Monday to Friday, but then they are not trading the Fibonacci as a tradable pattern. Alright, don't mix the two. You can use some tools as an analyst, and you can use different tools as a trader. You can use also the same tools. Alright? ABCD, ABCD, so this is our C, and green goes to green one more time. This is not a low, this is the first low then, after the green. So Fibonacci retracement tool, A goes to C, A goes to C, do this with me everybody, practice, 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 and B goes to D down here. Alright, now everybody give me an example. Okay, I don't have, so do you see everybody that, do you see this C everybody after the B? This is an example when the C is the highest point, not necessarily a high, inside the AB boundary after the B, before the market hits the appropriate extension. This is no high. Make sense? The white candle is no high. It doesn't have, it has two on the right, but it doesn't have two on the left. Make sense? So A goes to C, A goes to C, B goes down here, this was the easy one, this goes to, B goes to D, and Fibonacci retracement tool, there you go. Next one, let me see if the market is going to break me, not yet. So again, here is the C after the B, and green goes to green, this is the new low. This is the D down in here. This is the new C after the B. Right? A goes to C, B goes to D, and Fibonacci retracement tool. It's not that difficult, right? Just follow the rules. What is the rule to determine the B? When you start, the B is the first low in a downtrend, is the first low after the A as soon as possible, and the B must be a low in a down Fibonacci. Okay, A must, in a down Fibonacci everybody, or Fibonacci in a downtrend, the A must be a high, the B must be a low, the D must be a low, and the C could be a high or not. Alright? So another easy one everybody, A goes to C, right? This is the highest point inside the AB boundary after the B, and green goes to green. This is the level, this is not a low, 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 there you go. And B goes to D. Fibonacci retracement tool, one more time. This is our new C. Our D is going to be somewhere down here, right? Now, let's finish first, then I'm going to ask you a question, right? A, B, C, D, so one more time, this is the highest point inside the AB boundary, GBP USD daily chart this time. A goes to C, green goes to green, so this is the low, and B goes to the Fibonacci retracement tool. There you go. And where are we? Where are we? We are here right now, right? Whoa, this was a okay, right, alright. Everybody, which one is our C? Is the first circle the C? Finally the question, right? Is our first circle the C? Is our second circle the C? Is our third circle the C? Is our fourth circle the C? Is our fifth circle the C? Which one is our C? Everybody? It took a long time for this Fibonacci to make profit. Yeah, we were sideways, right? We were sideways consolidation for a long time. This was the consolidation, right? We were in consolidation on NZD, USD, everybody, starting from summer, right? Starting from 2016, the market was up and down. 2016 finally to 2018, 2 years of consolidation. So everybody, 2 years of consolidation. Number 5, hello Mattia, number 5, fifth, alright. I cannot trick you anymore, you learned well, congratulations everybody. Cannot trick you anymore. So this is the C, and it hit the blue, right? Now blue goes to blue. Blue goes to blue. This is the extension. I need to find the low. And there you have it. Down in here, this is the low. I'm just going to zoom in to double check, triple check highs and lows. So this is the low, right? This is the low. And just to double check, everybody, this is the low. Clone, this is another low in here. So okay, the first one it's not, it must go to blue. Alright, A goes to C, A goes to C, A goes to C, and B goes to D. Down in here, Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay, A, B, C, D, A to B, B to C. So we are here right now. We are here right now. And is this low? Let's see everybody now. Now we have a challenge, right? We need to be very precise. Very precise. Okay, now this is to the pip. Precise to the pip. Give me a second. Far away, far away. I need to be very precise to the pip. There you go. A. Compress the chart. And the question is, did the market hit the green? So it's 0 point the D extension, and I'm going to look at the, not this one, sorry about that. Okay. Let's compare the two numbers. What is the low of the blue candle? 5468, 547, 547, 546. So it hit the extension, everybody. It hit the extension. Thank you, Ernesto. Right? It hit the extension. So this was the C. and this was the D, right? New Fibonacci retracement tool from the daily. From the daily, the market broke our Fibonacci. So the market stopped us out, right? Now, what does this mean to you as a trader, everybody? From the very beginning, daily chart, right? If you would just put the stop, listen to me now, the one who wants to make money. For the ones who want to make money, everybody, if you would put the stop loss above the A once, okay, whatever, now this is the good news, right? Whatever you would do, if you would put the stop loss above the A once, maybe not the first time, right? But you are seeing market making lower lows, lower highs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, you would win, you would make money 8 times, everybody, and of course you would have one occasional loser. Is this good news or bad news? I've been telling you that Fibonacci has an edge. The Fibonaccis are going to win 7 times out of 10. Here is proof on the chart. Of course, NZD USD is the example today. But if you would, whatever your strategy is, whatever your methodology about entering the market, talking about Fibonacci trading, the Fibonacci pattern, if you would just put the stop loss above the A, above the A, above the A, above the A, you would win 8 times. If you would not put the stop loss above the A, then what? The drama, right? Market stopping you out many times. Now, ABCD, what's the time? Alright. Now, because the market broke my Fibonacci, I'm going to delete this one, right? The market broke our Fibonacci, not valid anymore. So this is not valid anymore, right? Where should I start the up Fibonacci, everybody? Should I start the up Fibonacci from the first circle, second circle, or third circle? Which one? Where should I start the up Fibonacci? Right? Yes, Ernesto, correct. By the way, any news from Lynn, Marshall? For the three of you to start, Shola and Ernesto. By the way, everybody, today, in about a few minutes, I'm going to show you another way to have not a year like Ernesto, Shola and Lynn, but a few months of Forex course show you for free. Okay? Another way for you to, yes, another way for you to have just not a year but a few months, right? Let somebody, exactly, let somebody else pay for you, right? I'm reading FXFreedom book, really easy to read and figure out the psychological perspective. Thank you very much. Julius says first one, yes sir. ABCD, give me a second. Alright, So if this is our A, which one is our B, everybody? Is the first circle our B? Is the second circle our B? Or is the third circle our B? Which one is our B, everybody? Nothing about lean, really. Let's make a deal, Ernesto and Shola. Let's make a deal, right? If lean is not ready, when I get back from vacation, then the two of you are going to start, alright? Okay? Broto, first one. Ah, you learned, right, Broto? The first one, very good. So, same story, everybody. Horizontal line, A to B. Fibonacci retracement tool, A to B. This is our C. In an up Fibonacci sequence, the C is the lowest point, not necessarily a low, inside the AB boundary, after the B, before the market hits the appropriate D extension. Boss, if I can figure out the up fib will be break anyway, could we start drawing the new downtrend fib? If you are not going to make any mistakes, then yes. But you are going to make mistakes, because everybody, what Ernesto is asking, oh, I know that the market is going to break my up Fibonacci, so I'm going to start up in here. Boss, can you repeat please? Ernesto is asking if I can figure out that the market is going to stop me out in here. Can I start the Fibonacci from up in here? Not to waste time for doing all of this work. And my answer to Ernesto is, if you are not going to make any mistakes, then yes. Alright? So, exactly the same, A goes to C, and B goes up in here to D. See everybody, not that difficult, right? You got you know how Fibonacci works, the charting, you know. A, B, C, D, zooming out. Now this is my C, and this is my D, up in here. So A goes to C, up in here, and B goes to D up in here. Fibonacci retracement tool, A to B. See everybody, now is a different story, right? Because now I'm not assuming anymore. Now I can see that the market stopped me out. So, out this Fibonacci, out, out. And we're going to start from where? From the highest point, right? Highest point. Zooming in. Same story on the daily. Remember, going long on the daily, you would win 2 times. You would have the occasional loser. You would lose 1. And A. Broto, this is for you, my friend. Broto, this is for you. Which one is our B? Is the first circle our B, or is the second circle our B? Nah, I'm not going to trick you, right? Is the first circle our B, is the second circle our B, or is the third? Brought the first one, second one, and everybody else too? Boss, I don't see. Well, zoom in the chart, right? Zoom in the chart by yourself. First one, congratulations. You got it, my friend. This is the B. See everybody, sometimes the sequence from A to B, it's 2 candles. No, it cannot be 1. Minimum 2. Because it's a sequence, alright? A to B. Now what happens in here, everybody, is A to B, B to C, right? And C to D. Everybody, which one is, now this is a tricky one, hopefully it's going to trick you. Which one is our C? The first circle is our C, or is the second circle? Which one is our C? Hopefully I'm going to trick you this time. Hopefully I'm going to trick you this time. First circle, second circle, everybody. Hedge fund trader Broto, hedge fund trader Ernesto, hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Mattia, hedge fund trader Clara. Alright, I cannot trick you anymore. Alright, very good. C to D, right? C to D. Now A goes to C. Come on. A goes to C and B goes to D down in here. Everybody, if you would short this sequence, would you win or lose? If you would short the market, whatever, right? Maybe in here. If you would short the market, maybe in here, would you win or lose? More than 30 seconds delay. Yes, we have a 30 seconds delay. See everybody, the market stop us out. Alright, now you don't need to do the up Fibonacci, right? Because you can see the market going up and down. So, one more time. The market stop us out, yes sir. Starting from the high, right? Okay, not valid anymore, out. I need to find new high to low. Sometimes the market does this, it gets smaller. This is our A, this is our B. See how the market is different now? It's smaller, right? I need to go inside the chart. A, B, C, D, green goes to green. Just a few candles of movement, right? A goes to C. This is our new A. Green goes to green. This is our D. Down here, and A goes to C. There you go. This is our new B, and repetition again. A goes to C, B goes to down here. Now it's getting bigger, the Fibonacci, the sequence is getting bigger. Give me a second. This is the A, this is the B, and we are here right now, right? This was the C, hit the red to red. I need to find the D. The daily is challenging, not to talk about the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. This is a low. Down here, and A A goes to C and B goes to D. B goes to D. Not finished yet, we're almost there, everybody. Almost there. Oh, would be painful. Lose a beautiful deep counter trend line break. Which one is the C, everybody? Is the first candle the C, or is the second, not candle, circle? Which one is the C, everybody? First circle or second circle? I have already drawn a few 4-hour chart Fibonacci and it's a lot of work. Yes, it is. Everybody, which one is the C? The first circle or the second circle? Shola, so what if I manage the trade with cancel and replace from the Fibs from up? You can do this, no problem. We have an edge for Fibonacci for monthly, weekly, daily time frame. What about the 4-hour? Comes down to 50%, Mattia. Second, very good. Shola, if you want, ask your question about charts in here, because I don't know how to help you, Shola. Shola is not able to save charts. And I don't know how to help you. So the second is the C, everybody, very good. This is the C. Green goes to green still. Green. Looking for a low. Looking for a low, not a low, down to here. A, B, C, D. This was a nice trade, right? Boss, if the Fibonacci is that good, why more people... Boss, if the Fibonacci is that good, why more people is not trading it? Well, this is the $1 million question, right? I don't know. Alright, everybody, we are there. So this is the most recent Fibonacci on NZD/USD daily chart. Give me a second. This is the A. Green goes to green, most likely is down in here. Give me a second. Low. Alright. It is a low. A to B. NZD/USD. A to B. C in here and D down in here. Alright, everybody, my A on NZD/USD daily chart is at 0.65758, and my B is at equals to 0.55896. Okay, you can double check, triple check, everybody. Now, for the traders from last year, boss, teach me how to make money. For the traders from last year, been in the Forex course 101, right? What if you are not short already with those two counter trend line breaks, with the stop loss above the A, and you are telling yourself that you want to make money, and I'm not sure if you're for real, why didn't you enter the market? Everybody, the first two, yeah, alright, maybe this one too, right? Maybe this one too, why not, right? I would enter the second one, the third one with not a problem, right? But here is the question, if you are not shorting the market, why not? Zoom in the chart, please. Where? Where, Ernesto, could be more specific? In the meantime, everybody, we're almost out of time. How can you get Forex course 202 for a few months for free? Okay, I'm partnering up with the proprietary trading firm. Okay, there is no conflict of interest. Dukascope, it's an investment bank. All right, this is a prop firm. I'm partnering up with them. It's called Search Trader. Search Trader is the official funding partner of FXFreedom and the Forex course 202. So if you open an account of 50,000, I don't have time to explain to you about search, everybody. Go on the website searchtrader.com and figure out the rules. But anyway, you know, if you open a 50k account, it's going to cost you $400 minus the 10% discount. Use my code FXFreedomFX from YouTube. Okay, you are going to have 1 month of Forex course 202 for free. If you open a 250k account, you get 2 months of Forex course for free. And if you dare opening the $1 million account, now we are talking about money, you got 4 months of Forex course 202 for free. Plus, I can trade with you if you want. Just the 1 million, not 250, not the 50. Okay, everybody? And if you are using the discount code FXFreedomFX, you are going to have 10% off of the 400, 180 or the 6,500. You get a 10%. I know it's big money, don't worry. I know, don't worry. Okay? But here is another way for me to help you. Let Search Trader pay for you. Okay? 1 month for free, 2 months or 4 months. Alright, Ernesto, and then we are done for today. The last B. Alright, everybody, zoom in. As always, if you have any questions, send me Skype, send me. Do you see, Ernesto, the last B? Alright, Ernesto, this is the B. Zoom in the chart. 558, yeah, right. 55844, right? A bit different. 55. It's an 8 or a 6? 644. 55644. Alright, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. Don't trade for money, trade for freedom.